Hello, I'm Chris, this is Gross Models, and this is issue 80 of DeAgostini's Build Your Own X-Wing. 80, look, it's like, 4/5 of the way through the build. It's good, it's coming together and it's massive, and we're not dealing with the whole massiveness of it at the moment, which is good, because this fits on the bench. Today, we are looking at B-Wings. Oh, we've drifted onto a new ship. It must be because it's like 10 on one and then 10 on another, maybe, I don't know. But yeah, B-Wings. I like a B-Wing. It's an unusual looking ship, and I don't know why it's called a B-Wing, because it doesn't really look like a B, but here we go. Interestingly enough, yeah, outlandish craft with an odd design. It's more of a T-Wing, but we won't worry about that. Ketsu, I never met. I don't know. I don't recall them. They're either probably in the Clone Wars by the looks of it. So, yep. Shadowcaster. Interesting. Oh, to Ghost, so it must be in Rebels, one of the later seasons that I haven't seen yet. Cool. The hyperdrive jets, that's what we're building today. So let's get the parts we need and continue with the build. Now, we've got some metal parts that I think we're not using yet. They're just supplying them to us up front, because obviously they can't send everything exactly when you need it. You get it, some of it earlier, and some of it, you just have to sit on for a little while. So that's obviously more of the framework to put things together. But today we're dealing with these bits. Now we've got to take these off of the sprue. I believe these are the same, yes. So we've got basically duplicates to make. So we've got to cut these off flush. There we go, that's one of those. Let's get that one as well. So we're obviously going to be making multiples of the same thing. These are going to go together like that. I don't think I need to worry about any sanding of bits that I've just cut off, because that's going to be fitted to another part. Press them firmly together. Nicely pictured with it not lining up properly, but mine does. So the assembly looks like this. Mine does just look a bit like that. Next, over the page, it says to repeat to make another pair of jets. So let's use these and make another pair of jets. Then we can get rid of that. So there we have another pair of jets. Then we are taking the jet mount that we prepared before, putting them on there, and they're going vertically. Yes, because they've got flat sides on there. Make sure you get the flat sides together rather than on the outside. So that's going there, and the flat sides are going next to it in there. Like that. And then one of these is going onto the other end. The pin's going into there. And that is that. I guess we're going to do exactly the same again. Yes, we are. Let's just quickly knit through and do those again. That one and that one together. Two more together. Onto there. The flat bits on the inside. And then that onto there. So that does indeed complete this stage. We've got the parts, I don't know, we've got 6 of those, 3 on each side, obviously, for whatever that's going to go. We've got these just been built, and we've got this that we did last time. So I'm thinking it's got to go somewhere. Is that going to go? No, that's got a little keyed place in there, so that can't go there. But those slots definitely look like it's going to go on there. So maybe that's meant to be keyed in a little bit deeper than it is. Do we think? Maybe. And that's going to go on there like that. It sort of fits. It does. I'm going to put them on there, and I'm going to leave them there, because I don't like having lots of bits floating around loose. So obviously they're not being glued in or anything, so they can come off. I've put them on that way around, so we've got the rounded edges on the outside there. And in a month, we'll find out if I was correct or not. But we're going to have another tube coming off that side. That's why it's not telling us to put it on there yet. Because, yeah, there's a gap in there for the tube to come off of next point. So I've put these on there just like that. I'm not going to fix them in place securely, but it keeps things a little bit tidier. So that's that. I don't know. These might be holding that in place. They might be completely unrelated. But that is the build this week. That's nice and quick, nice and easy, and coming together. I shall put this in a bag and put it out the way until next month when I receive more issues. Another 5 issues will be coming in 4 or 5 weeks. That'll be up to 85. It's really coming together. I'm happy with how it's finally being built now. After what seemed like years of just doing wings. On the back we've got, which I don't remember, Shadow something, wasn't it? The name of the ship. But yeah, there we go. Definitely from Rebels. And that's that. So that was issue 80. Thank you for watching. Hope you're enjoying the build. Do leave a comment and a like or a dislike or whichever takes your fancy. And I shall see you soon for other builds, or indeed the next one of these when it comes along. Thanks for watching. Bye.